Now third question. So what is third question? You have to just you have to construct a parallelogram ABCD such that side BC is equal to 7 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Angle ABC is equal to 40 degree. Angle ABC, that is 40 degree, and length of AB is equal to 3 centimeter. AB is equal to 3 centimeter. इतना है. तो आपको ये क्या करना है? You have to find out. And length of BC, लेंथ बी सी ऑफ, तो आपको देखो बस क्वेश्चन यू अंडरस्टूड ना. यू हैव टू पैरेललोग्राम, ड्रॉ पैरेललोग्राम, पैरेललोग्राम, पैरेललोग्राम ए बी सी डी. क्लियर? सच दैट लेंथ ऑफ बी सी इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 7 सेंटीमीटर. एंगल ए बी सी इज हाउ मच? 40 degree. Clear? And length of AB is equal to how much? 3 centimeter. Okay, so you have to find out. Now you have to construct the parallelogram. तो उसके लिए मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि आई एम गिविंग यू, आई एम कंस्ट्रक्टिंग रेड वो रफ फिगर. तो रफ फिगर यहाँ पे एक बना दे रहा हूँ. आप क्या करोगे? सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज द लॉन्गर लेंथ? 7 सेंटीमीटर. सो यू कंस्ट्रक्ट 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, आर्बिट्रेरी कोई भी आप जो है ले लीजिए. यू टेक जस्ट आर्बिट्रेरी कोई भी आप जो है एक आइडिया से 7 सेंटीमीटर यू ड्रा इट. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट? बी सी इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर. तो बी एंड सी. क्लियर? नाउ देन आफ्टर एंगल ए बी सी. तो बी यहाँ पे है, ए यहाँ पे कहीं होगा. ओके, सो एंगल ए बी सी इक्वल टू 40 डिग्री. सो यू ड्रॉ जस्ट 40 डिग्री. ओके, so suppose that you draw this 40 degree, and then you have to cut what? 3 centimeter. So you take arc of 3 centimeter. Why? Because AB is 3 centimeter, so it is 40 degree. दिस वेयर आप बी से आर्क ड्रा करिए. कितने का? 3 सेंटीमीटर का. वेयर इट इज कटेड? सपोज दैट दिस पॉइंट, एट दिस पॉइंट कटिंग इंटरसेक्टिंग, सो इट इज ए. क्लियर? नाउ फ्रॉम ए you draw, since in parallelogram opposite sides are equal, so it is 7 centimeter, so this should also be what? 7 centimeter. So this should also be 7 centimeter, but to same as here also this is 3 centimeter, so this should also be 3 centimeter. तो आप यहाँ से 3 centimeter का आर्क लीजिए, and from here, from point A, you take 7 centimeter arc. Okay, so it's 7 centimeter and what? 3 centimeter. Okay, now you just match these both. This is what? 3 centimeter, and this is what? 7 centimeter. Clear? So now it is your constructive parallelogram. Okay, this is what? Rough figure. This is your rough figure. Now you have to start constructing. Okay, so for that I am making here construction. First of all, आप क्या करोगे? BC 7 centimeter. So I am drawing here BC 7 centimeter. So you start here. Okay, so this is point B, this is point C, 7 centimeter. Clear? Now angle B is equal to 40 degree. You draw angle 40 degree. Okay, so with the help of protractor you draw 70 degree, 40 degree. तो देखिए आप, this is 40 degree. Okay, you draw this. Clear? This is 40 degree. Okay, now you take this 3 centimeter. Okay, take arc of 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Okay, so here is this point. This point should be A. Where they intersected, this should be point A. Clear? Then after what? This is 7 centimeter, so its opposite side, that also should be 7 centimeter. Okay, means point D. You got A, you got B, you got C. Now there is only one remaining point, that is D. Okay, here यहाँ पे आप D पाए थे, तो only one point that is remaining, D. Okay, that D how you can find out? From point C you take a arc of 3 centimeter, and from point A you take a arc of 7 centimeter. Where they intersecting, that will be point D. Okay, so from just you take 3 centimeter arc from point C. Clear? So take a arc. Clear? Okay, and from point this, from A point, take 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter arc. Clear? This is 7 centimeter. So you draw from point A, where it was intersection, you got point A. From point A you draw a arc which is cutting at this arc. Clear? Here this is the cutting arc, this intersection point. Clear? Okay, now you match these both. So you now match these both. So here I am just this both intersecting points. Clear? And just match this also. Okay, so this should be what? 7 centimeter. This is what? Also 3 centimeter. This is point D. Clear? So this is the construction. What you did? This is the parallelogram. AB CD. Okay, this is a parallelogram ABCD. So you got this. Now question number, come to question number 4th. Okay, what is the question number 4? Question number 4th is ratio of consecutive angles of quadrilateral is 1:2:3:4. So I'm saying this is the fourth sum. Ratio of consecutive angles of quadrilateral. Chapra! Ratio of consecutive angles of quadrilateral are what? 1:2:3:4. These are the ratios of consecutive angles. one के बाद one के बाद means angle A, then angle B, then angle C, then angle D. So these are ratios 1:2:3:4. Then you have to find the measurement of each angles. Write with regions what type of quadrilateral is this. Okay, so if you, when you will find out all the angles, then clearly you can say with this type of quadrilateral. So first of all, ratios are given. With the help of ratios 1:2:3:4, you have to find out एंगल्स. सो व्हाट विल बी एंगल, देखिए. सो विच टाइप ऑफ कॉन्जिक्यूटिव एंगल यू डोंट नो. तो देखिए आप क्या करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सपोज दैट लेट आप एक ड्रॉ कर दीजिए. ओके, यू ड्रॉ क्वाड्रिलेटरल. सपोज दैट let ABCD be a quadrilateral. Okay, since ratio of angles are 1:2:3:4. Clear? So therefore if common multiples be x, therefore angle A is equal to x degree, angle B is equal to 2x degree. Clear? Angle C is equal to 3x degree, angle D is equal to 4x degree. Clear? Now tell me one more thing. This is what A, B, C and D. Clear? So this was the quadrilateral. Now tell me, you apply any formula, okay, any rule, whatever you know about the quadrilateral related to these angles, you apply that. ओके, आपको ये माइंड लगाना है कि कौन सा फार्मूला या कौन सा रूल आप जानते हो, बस उसी रूल के हिसाब से आप इनको लिख दीजिए. ओके, एंड आप उसमें रिलेट कर दीजिए एंड देन आफ्टर यू कैन सॉल्व एंड यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड देन आफ्टर यू विल गेट द एंगल्स. तो आप एक तो रूल आप जानते हैं व्हाट कि हाउ मच इज द एंगल्स, बट सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स शुड बी व्हाट 360 डिग्री. सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स शुड बी 360 डिग्री. तो क्या हो जाएगा, सिंस sum of all the angles of any quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Clear? Is equal to 360 degree. Therefore what will be there, first angle is what, x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree plus 4x degree is equal to what, 360 degree. Therefore x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x, that is what, x plus 2x 3x 3x plus 3x 6x 6x plus 4x 10x 10x degree is equal to what, 360 degree. Therefore x degree is what, is equal to what, 360 degree upon 10. Okay, so 10 ones are 10 10 36 degree. Okay, so x degree is equal to 36 degree. Clear? Therefore angle A is equal to x degree is equal to 36 degree, angle B is equal to 2x degree is equal to 2 into 36 degree is equal to 72 degree. Clear? So two angles you got. Now therefore angle C is equal to what? Angle C is equal to 3x degree is equal to 3 into 36 degree is equal to 108 degree. Clear? Now angle D is equal to what? 4x degree is equal to 4 into 36 degree is equal to what? 4 into 36 degree, that is what? 144 degree. Clear? So you got all the angles. Okay. So what will be there?